Hey guys, this is how to play your Rocket League on repeat.gg. So first thing that you will do is go to repeat.gg and this will be their homepage. So from here, just simply log in or sign up if you don't have an account yet. And you can sign up with PlayStation Network, Google, Facebook, or email. So it will be depending on you. And now once you are signed in, just simply go ahead and click on this. And from here, you will have multiple options. You can either go for PlayStation, desktop, or Xbox, and Switch. As you can see, Rocket League is available. So just simply click on the Rocket League. And from here, right away, you will see all of the tournaments that are available. So from here, let's say I'm going to join this tournament. And from here, in order for you to join a tournament, you can just simply click on Add a Game. And from here, just simply connect Rocket League to your Repeat GG account and click on log into your account. And after that, just simply provide the email and password. And after that, automatically, you will be able to join the tournament. And guys, from here, when you click on leaderboard, you will see who is the number one on the spot. And you should be able to see here what place are you in as well. And from here, you can click on prize pool, which you can see how many prize, which you can see how much they will earn if you, how much you will earn if you rank number 1, 2, 3, and so on. And now just click on scoring as well. And from here, you should be able to see how many points on each scoring. So if you get a win, you get 10 points and the others as well. So it will be depending on your game as well. And when you click on rules, you'll be able to see here the detailed rules about the tournament. And guys, there you go. Just simply connect your Rocket League game and you'll be able to join the tournament. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.